Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
MLA jang BJP ba Ïatreilang belongru menteri ke sarkar jilla hakan rotrek unai wing arajar posau ulong ke BJP ba ke kongres kinamla satya ban Ïatreilang la nuru kini ke jingkan tho jong ba Ïatreilang kelong halo ke jingkan no jang National People's Party ba ke jing shimra jang BJP ban sei kertong hak election chiting samai hagam begre constituency kan kta ek party kongres Nama Ïatreilang hak election Lok Sabha ban Punjab Ïatreilang sangma kumu MP jang ketura.
The Congress, they are their own identity. They have got their own supporters. They have got their own candidate. They should fight their own election. The BJP also, we have our own candidate, our own supporters. We'll fight our own election. What's wrong to fight our own election? We have nothing to do with the Congress. Congress also, they have their own candidate. They should fight with their own Congress supporters only. Congress, BJP, never also BJP, Congress to work together. How come you say that BJP and Congress will work together? Can our Honorable Prime Minister will work with Honorable Rahul Gandhi ji? There that time we are supporting the MPP. This time we are contesting separately with all the political parties. What makes difference? Not only now. From the beginning only, that is only the allegation against the BJP. So that is their own issue they have. We have nothing to say anything against any political party have their own issue. We had fought before also, now also we'll fight now. BJP is one party. 365 days is preparation for election only, for all election. Until unless people support the BJP, so we will not have more MLAs, but in future I'm telling you, we'll get more MLAs. The development. Now they are outside the ambits of the tribal states. So BJP are listening now to the problem of the states. They are listening to the problem of the tribals. So that's why they have not introduced the UCC in a tribal state like Meghalaya. We also told that we don't want that UCC to be introduced in Meghalaya through the government. So it's happened. BJP and the central government, they are ready to work with the state government. The BJP, we have our own official candidate. BJP, we are going to campaign fully campaigning for our candidate. We'll try people to convince them to vote for BJP, but we cannot tell them to go vote here only, but we have to appeal them. So that is only the appeal of BJP to vote for BJP to the BJP candidate in Gamengri. It is a political party in Meghalaya. They can go any breadth and length in Meghalaya to form the party organization. They have every right to go. And I appreciate also if they are going to everywhere, at least they should fight in whole state only, not only in one particular district or two particular districts. That's to be, as a BBP, it should be as party of the state of Meghalaya. What the party saying and what one individual saying, what other group are saying, whether this is a party or one community, it has nothing to do with me. They are not concerned with us. If I say from here, it is very wrong for me. Because I have not been particularly to the Gamengri constituency. Once I'll go there, then only I can assess whether the lack of development or it is full of development. I'll not be able to tell you right now.